Hi, my name's Travis. Today, my awesome mom bought my dad gifts.
Good job. Like the boy said, I came home today and this was on my desk. It's a new Parkzone Mini Vapor. It's an ultra micro indoor slow flyer. A lot of people will say that the Ember 2 and the regular full-size Vapor are indoor flyers and maybe gymnasiums and stuff like that, but this one actually flying in a decent, a living room, or you wouldn't fly in my office. My office is a little too small, but it'll fly great in the living room. I've actually already flown it. I was going to try to do an unboxing deal, but I was just too excited. I had this charged up and flying as soon as possible, so but at least I'll show you what came in the box. So there it is. Here's the airplane here. It's got a real thin plastic and carbon fiber. It's actually a lot stronger than I thought. Obviously it still is pretty delicate, but compared to how it looks, it's pretty strong. All the carbon fiber has a lot of give, so hitting walls or the couch or whatever, it's got some give to absorb some of the impact. So came with battery, charger, and a radio. I'll talk about the radio in a minute, but this battery here is a 3.7 volt 30 milliamp hour. It's a one cell 30 milliamp hour battery, and this isn't your standard 3.7 volt charger. It's actually a lot smaller. Let me get out of the light there. This is a 70 milliamp charger, and this thing actually charges up very quickly. I couldn't tell you the time. I'll test that out, maybe put it in the description, but they don't come fully discharged, but on the first charge it was maybe 5 minutes and this thing was charged up. So and it came with 8 AA's, 4 for the transmitter, 4 for the battery charger, and with a 30 milliamp hour battery. Those AA's are going to last for a really long time. At first I thought this was the standard Parkzone, ultra micro radio. It's actually not. This is a new one I haven't seen before. This one's actually got a switch for mode 1 or mode 2. I fly mode 2. A lot of people fly mode 2. I'll never use that switch, but I just thought that was pretty cool. Also came with the manual, as always. And yep, that's it. So take this out in the living room and give it a test flight. Go.
My name is Travis.
Go.
Hi, my name is Travis. My awesome,
Go.
no, I'm too embarrassed.
Go. It's got a pretty thin plastic film on it and carbon fiber. Jesus. Another thing it comes with, or what it. Gosh dang it. Go. I was very excited when this thing came out, so my wife interrupted me.
Where'd it go?